morning, it's January 25th, and this is your daily brief in science. Here's everything you need to know. In a groundbreaking effort to save the critically endangered northern white rhino, scientists have successfully achieved a pregnancy through in vitro fertilization using a surrogate mother. This marks a significant milestone in conservation, offering a glimmer of hope for the species' future. Tragically, the surrogate mother passed away, but her autopsy confirmed the pregnancy, proving the effectiveness of the procedure. The overarching mission of this project is to reintroduce the offspring to the remaining females at Kenya's Olpayeta Reserve, aiming to avert the total extinction of the northern white rhino. To date, the team has completed 13 embryo transfers and has secured a future for the species by cryopreserving 30 embryos. Looking ahead, the focus is on selecting new surrogate mothers and a teaser bull to prepare for another embryo transfer. The dedicated scientists are working with a timeline to welcome a northern white rhino calf into the world within the next 2 to 3 years. This scientific achievement underscores the critical role of technology in conservation and offers potential strategies for safeguarding other endangered rhino species. In a remarkable medical advancement, an 11-year-old boy in the United States has regained his hearing thanks to groundbreaking gene therapy at the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia. The innovative procedure involved the injection of a modified virus into the boy's inner ear. This virus was engineered to deliver functional copies of the gene that was faulty and causing his hearing loss. This case isn't isolated. Similar gene therapy studies are underway across the globe, signaling a new era for treating auditory impairments. Over in China, a new study has shown promising results in using gene therapy to restore hearing in children with hereditary deafness. These children had mutations in the OTOF gene, which is linked to hearing function. Impressively, 5 out of 6 participants in the Chinese study experienced hearing recovery after 26 weeks. Not only did their hearing improve, but there were also significant advancements in their speech perception abilities. These recent developments represent a significant milestone in the treatment of hearing loss. They offer a beacon of hope for patients suffering from hereditary deafness, potentially changing lives and reshaping our approach to genetic medicine. A study by the universities of Basel and Zurich challenges the belief that syphilis was introduced to Europe by Christopher Columbus. They've unearthed genetic evidence of the syphilis pathogen in bones dating back 2,000 years, found in Brazil. This groundbreaking finding suggests that syphilis, or treponema infections, were in the Americas well before Christopher Columbus set sail. The pathogens detected in these ancient remains bear a close genetic relationship to a subspecies of Treponema pallidum, which is typically found in the arid regions of Africa and the Middle East. This connection points to a more intricate backstory for the origins of syphilis than the narrative that has been accepted for centuries. The implications of this discovery are significant, prompting a reevaluation of how these diseases evolved and spread across the globe. It also raises compelling questions about the historical distribution of treponema infections. Researchers are calling for further study to map out the pre-Columbian distribution of these bacteria, as current findings suggest a much more complex epidemiological history. This study not only challenges previous historical beliefs but also underscores the dynamic nature of pathogen evolution and adaptation over millennia. The Dana-Farber Cancer Institute, a renowned center affiliated with Harvard Medical School, is currently under scrutiny for allegations that have rocked the scientific community. Over 50 research papers are implicated in claims of data manipulation, casting a shadow over years of research. Molecular biologist Sholto David has brought these accusations to light, presenting evidence of manipulated images spanning publications from 1999 to 2017. In response to these serious allegations, the Institute has taken action, confirming that 6 papers will be retracted and 31 will undergo corrections. This isn't the first time concerns have been raised. Some of the questioned irregularities were previously flagged on the research critique platform PubPeer. As the investigation unfolds, artificial intelligence tools are playing a pivotal role in identifying instances of data manipulation, highlighting the growing importance of AI in the fight against scientific fraud. Sholto David has offered a preventative measure for the scientific community, advocating for the meticulous organization of research images and thorough cross-checking against raw data before papers are published. Amidst this controversy, the Dana-Farber Cancer Institute has reaffirmed its dedication to upholding the highest standards of accountability and integrity in its research efforts. The James Webb Space Telescope has delivered another marvel, capturing an image of N79, a vibrant star-forming region within the Large Magellanic Cloud. This region, a younger sibling of the Tarantula Nebula, is rapidly generating new stars, doing so at double the rate. N79's chemical composition shares a striking resemblance with star-forming regions that existed billions of years ago, offering astronomers a window into the distant past. The telescope's keen eye has revealed the intricate dance of glowing gas and dust in mid-infrared light, peeling back the layers of these stellar nurseries to expose the still-embedded protostars within. These observations are more than just a visual spectacle. They provide critical insights into the star formation processes and chemical compositions of the early universe. Furthermore, the image demonstrates the telescope's prowess in examining the evolution of disks and envelopes that cradle stars, along with the disks where planets may be taking shape. This discovery is a significant leap forward in our quest to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, shedding light on the formative stages of galaxies and stars. It's a glimpse into the genesis of the universe, revealing the mechanisms that led to the creation of the first galaxies and stars. This has been your Daily Brief in Science. To read more about these stories, follow the links in the episode bio. You can also subscribe to these updates at www.brief.news. For more daily podcasts about the topics you love, visit www.brief.news/podcasts. Tune in tomorrow. We'll be back with everything you need to know.